Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel to receive all new updates. من فضلك لا تنسى الاشتراك في القناة ليصلك كل جديد.
Waterproof mattress, cover your bed mattress. Protector, simple pure color, bed sheet, fixed by elastic band, easy to install and replace. Multicolor and multi-size options to meet your different needs. Sanding process. Anti-wrinkle, no ball, no fading, easy to clean. The fabric is soft and comfortable and skin-friendly. Waterproof TPU film on the reverse side is impenetrable. Size and color material, polyester plus TPU coating 8 colors to choose. Suitable for mattress height 528 with product list. 1. Waterproof bed sheet, excluding pillowcase. Pillowcase needs to be purchased separately. Easy to clean. The laundry. Machine wash the mattress protector along with your sheet using regular household detergents that do not contain bleach. It is better to wash with water below 30 degrees. Do not soak and mix with cloth.
As an organizer, I start from where the world is, as it is, not as I would like it to be.